construct a building. These are the costs that incurred if we self-constructed it, or if the company actually just purchased a building that is readily constructed and you're just purchasing it from another company. Any costs that the problem tells you incurred for setting up the asset before starting using the asset, you just have to add them up. Okay, when you journalize the entry of building, debit building, you'll be adding up all the bullet points of these things that you see in the problem. Okay, again, it could only be a few of them. It may not necessarily be all of these costs. Okay, so you don't have to memorize them. Basically, any problem tells you the necessary costs incurred for building, just add them up and debit it in a journal entry building. Since we're on this slide, and might as well just mention, here you see materials, labor, overhead. Now in the following class, after you take this Introduction to Managerial Accounting, there will be a whole lot of issues on materials, labor, and overhead costs. Basically, if a company is, we have only been talking about service type of business and merchandisers operations. In managerial accounting, it will touch on if companies is actually producing their own products. Then they will have to purchase certain type of materials. You have to hire workers to help you assemble the product, help you actually manufacture the products. There's other indirect costs that would incur. Managerial accounting will be taking care of how to journalize entries on materials, labor cost, overhead. There's a significant portion there. Okay, just want to mention it. Just like constructing a building themselves, you will have these costs. Constructing and actually manufacturing other types of products also needs to consider all these costs in journal entries.